So hi, hello, good day, sir. By the way, this is the presentation of the Cookie Corporation. Now let's proceed to introduction. Next slide, please. In our introduction, so we are the Cookie Co, a student-led cookie business based in NTC Menjola, serving students, faculty, and staff with fresh, affordable cookies. Today, the group will be present how a long-term bank investment can strengthen the Cookie Co's financial resilience and support future growth. Next slide. The investment offer. Suppose a bank offers Cookie Co a partnership investment with an annual interest rate at 5%, compounded monthly. The group decided to treat this as long as term financial strategy, not just extra savings. This means the money will stay invested for 10 years to maximize growth and support the business in the future.
Chosen investment amount. After considering startup needs and realistic student capital, the partnership decided to invest 100,000 pesos. This amount is high enough to make the interest meaningful but is still reasonable. If combined from owners' contribution, profits, and possible external funding. Next slide.
Okay, the compound interest calculation, investment amount chosen, the partnership decides to invest the capital 100,000. Reason, this amount is realistic for partnership, significantly higher than the startup cost of 9,650 and large enough to support long-term business growth such as equipment upgrades, expansion, or emergencies. So here's the formula used, compound interest. So um, the principal is 100,000. So the interest rate is 5,000. So you can convert into a decimal point. So the compounding monthly is 12 months. So the type of year is 10 years. So what is the um, formula of that? So step one is 0.05 is the um, what we call that interest rate, and you can divide into 12, so that is the um, 12 months. So yung equal niyan is 0.004167. So that is the interest amount. So the step 2 is the 12 months times 10 years. So meron tayong compounded ng 120 over 10 years. And the step 3 is 1.004167. So that is the what you call that? Total interest. And the 120 is compounded over 10 years. So ayun yon yung 120 natin. So is equal to 1646. So times it original value over 10 years. So the step 4 naman is yung 100,000 natin na capital, ita-times natin sa ating original value over the 10 years. So ayun yung 1,646. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 164,600. It means that 100,000 na investment natin, yung 5% na monthly growth natin is approximately natin ng 164,600. So that is the compound interest calculation. So next slide.
How much interest earned? To emphasize the impact, financial investment, 100,000 final amount after 10 years, 164,709.95 total interest earned, 64,791.95K. This is show that the money grow by more than 60% over the 10 years period just by keeping it in the investment account.
Effect on cookie cost operations. The investment supports several key areas of the business. It can help cover or reduce monthly occurring costs such as ingredients, packaging, and utilities, which are currently estimated at 6,300 per month. It can fund the future equipment upgrades like better ovens or tools to improve production, efficiency, and cookie quality. And it also can provide capital for experimenting with more flavors such as matcha, red velvet, dark chocolate, and Oreo-based cookies.
Long-term strategic benefits. In the long term, the investment strengthens Cookie Co in the three main ways. Financial safety net. The interest earnings can act as an emergency fund during slow sales periods, price increases in ingredients, or unexpected expenses. Expansion potential. The additional capital can support expansion beyond a school-based microenterprise, possibly into more booths, online sellings, or larger production. Competitive advantage. With more stable finances, Cookie Co can invest in stronger branding, social media marketing, and promotions against other campus na competitors. Next. Impact on the future of business. With this investment strategy, Cookie Co is not just focused on daily sales but on a long-term sustainability. The partnership shows responsibility by planning for future needs, building resilience, and creating room for growth while continuing to serve affordable, high-quality cookies to the NPC community. Next.
Lastly, investing 100,000 at 5% interest compounded monthly for 10 years allows Cookie Co to earn approximately 64,700.95 in interest. This supports operations, expansions, and the financial stability, helping the business stay strong and competitive in the years to.
So, the follow-up question, how will this affect the business in the future? The computed investment will have a strong positive impact on the business in the following ways. The 64,600 earned interest can be used to buy better baking equipment, allowing higher products capacity. The total amount is 164,600 can fund business expansion such as adding new product line like the brownies, cupcakes, and drinks. It provides financial stability and emergency funds, reducing the needs for loans. The investment encourages long-term financial discipline, teaching members in the value of saving and um, reinvesting profits. Overall, the investment helps the business grow sustainably while improving profitability and operational efficiency. So, that is our presentation. Thank you po, sir.